Welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Today, we will learn about school subjects. Are you ready? Get started. Math. Students learn about numbers, shapes, and how to solve problems with them. Vietnamese literature. In Vietnamese literature class, students read books, write stories, and learn grammar. Science. Science teaches students about animals, plants, and how things work in the world. History. History class is about learning about the past. FA. Mouse people and important events. Geography. Geography is about maps, countries, and different places on Earth. Social studies. Social studies covers communities, governments, and how people live together. Physical education. PE class is about playing sports, staying healthy, and being active. Art. In art class, students draw, paint, and create different kinds of art. Music. Students learn to sing, play instruments, and listen to different types of music. Computer science. Computer science teaches about computers, coding, and technology. Economics. Students learn about money, buying and selling, and how companies operate. Foreign language. Students learn to speak and understand another language and learn about different cultures. Civics. Civics is about rights, laws, and how to be a good citizen. Biology. Biology studies the function, anatomy, and origin of living organisms. Physics. Study of the laws and natural phenomena in nature. Chemistry. Study of the structure, properties, and chemical reactions of substances. Programming. Introduction to programming and basic concepts of computer science. Social sciences. Study of sociology, economics, and political science. Performing arts. Study of music, visual arts, theater, and other performing arts. Environmental science. Study of environmental protection, climate change, and sustainability. Business and accounting. Study of financial accounting, management, and international business. Robotics and artificial intelligence. Training in the development of robots and applications of artificial intelligence. Behavioral and psychology. Study of human cognition and behavior. Life skills and personal development. Includes communication skills, time management, and personal growth. Psychology and personality development. Study of psychological development, personality, and human behavior. Cosmology and astronomy. Exploration of planets, stars, and the universe. Cooking. Students learn how to cook meals. What's your favorite subject? Please share with me in the comment. If it's useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Master English Every Day.